Welcome to Learn with Dr. Mayuresh Gulami.
It is what? T flip-flop. T means what? Toggle. Now, I have told you students, what is the main art of construction of every flip-flop is the latch. It is what?
Latch.
The latch. So what is the diagram of latch? What is the diagram of latch? With the help of NAND gate, we are constructing a latch. So this is what Q, this is Q bar. The output, second input of first NAND gate, it is connected to this Q bar, and this input is connected to the Q, and this is what are the latch. In every type of flip-flop, SR flip-flop हो, JK flip-flop हो, D flip-flop हो, और ये T flip-flop में, this is fixed because it is a part of flip-flop. This is what the SR latch. Yes. Now, this T flip-flop can be is designed with the help of which flip-flop? The JK flip-flop. Which flip-flop? The JK flip-flop. So you need to know what is the JK flip-flop diagram. So this is what? Again, the diagram of JK flip-flop that we are constructing the T flip-flop from JK flip-flop. So what is this input? It is connected to the, that is only the change. This input is connected to the Q bar, yes, and this Q is connected to the second input of this, yes. Now, this is what? The input, and this is what? The clock. Clock. Now, this is the waveform of what? This is the waveform of, this is the construction of what? JK flip-flop, not T flip-flop. But what is only the small change in the diagram of T flip-flop? What is the change in the diagram? You need to short this input. This is what? Like that. And this is what the, this is what the. Why I have purposefully drawn the JK flip-flop poly diagram? Because you need to construct the T flip-flop poly diagram from the JK flip-flop. What is change only? You need to short this J and K. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? Yes? So this is the construction of the T flip. Now, what is the symbol of this one? Already I have told you how many inputs are there in the T flip-flop? Only the single input. The clock is necessary. I have told you if the arrow is like that, this is positive age triggered, and if there is a bubble, then it is negative age triggered. Yes? And how many outputs are there for every flip-flop? How many outputs are there for every flip-flop? Two outputs are there. One is Q and another is Q bar. Complementary to. Got it, everyone? So this is what construction. Now we will see what is the truth table of this T flip. Now, T. Now how many inputs are there? Only one input. यहाँ पे Q and यहाँ पे Q bar and यहाँ पे clock signal. Now, clock signal is must for this activation or the working of the flip-flop. Already I have told you. If the clock signal you haven't given, you will not get the output. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if I have given the clock and if I have given this 0 over here, what is the value of T I have given? What is the value of T I have given?
0.
0. What will happen, student? Yes, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 0 दिया तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 0. ये इनपुट है ना, और क्लॉक दिया है मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now assume that Q की वैल्यू प्रीवियस केस में 0 है. Q की वैल्यू क्या है प्रीवियस केस में? 0. तो Q बार की क्या होगी? 1. assume करो. Now यहाँ पे मेरा T 0 है, क्लॉक दिया तो 1 है, तो ये क्या होगा मेरा? ये क्या होगा? 1. So if any one of the input of NAND gate is 0, what is the output? Student? 1. Perfect. What is the output? 1. And in this case, if the clock is there, here is 1. यहाँ पे क्या है? 0 है. And what is this input? Again 0. And if any one of the input is 0 in the NAND gate, your output is your output is. Got it? Yes. 1 1 के लिए क्या आता है? 1 1 के लिए क्या आता है? In case of large, that is. Yes, please. Now, this is what large. Large को अगर 1 1 दिया तो क्या आता है? Student. No change. Yes or no? This is called as a Q and bar. मतलब previous वाला जो output है आपका वो as it is आएगा. Yes or no? Everyone. Everyone. Now यहाँ पे अगर मैंने 1 दिया तो what will happen? 1 दिया तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Student. Another input is 1. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 as it is. Clock का तो 1 है. Assume करो कि ये 0 है और ये 1 है, तो मेरा ये 1 होगा तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 0. Yes or no? ये this is 1, this is 0 and this is 1. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1. And if the inputs for the large are 0, 1, what is the output? What is the output? 1. मेरा Q क्या आ गया है स्टूडेंट? 1. और यहाँ पे क्या आ गया है? 0. Now 0 का क्या हो गया? 1 and 1 का क्या हो गया? 0. So that when the input for a T flip flop is 1, you will get here the toggling operation. Which operation? Toggling. Toggling का मतलब क्या है? अगर previous case में 0 होता है तो आपका अभी क्या आएगा? 1 को 1 आएगा और 1 होगा तो क्या आएगा? Got it, everyone? Yes? Everyone got it? Everyone got it?
Yes.
So this is what about the T.